bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors.
Well, I've changed venue. I finally cracked on not beggar and the size of the fish. Mainly because the fish that are coming out of Meadow Lake are vastly superior. I might do one more trip, I don't know. I just need to come over here and catch myself some fish. And also I'm having a social with my friends, so it's got to be worth a go. We doubled up in the same swim. This area covers an astronomical amount of water. So our rods are probably not even 60 yards anywhere near each other. Yeah, the water we cover is literally from over this side, right the way across round to the island out there. So clearly not going to interfere with each other and upset our own little fishing areas, which should be brilliant. Anyway, hopefully we'll catch some fish and I'll give you some updates. There you go. Looking lovely as ever.
Good?
Yeah, not bad. First one to Mr. Smoker. Oh. Goliath. Taking on a spotted fin, miracle berry wafter over a mixture of catalyst and smoke. I've actually weighed it, but we'll get round to doing that in a moment. Absolute stunner. Middle of the day as well. Miracle berry job. Let's get it back, it's not very big. Look at that.
Is that good?
That's good. Monster for Mr. Smoker.
Is that good?
Yeah, personal best. Common. Smoky Jack.
There you go. Oh, I can't hold it.
I'm ready. Oh, look at that.
Yes.
Absolute beauty. Absolute beauty.